Before refrigerators, before electricity, before any modern technology, people still had to keep their food from spoiling. So how did medieval communities manage to preserve meat for weeks or even months? In this video, we uncover the ingenious methods that help them survive harsh winters, long journeys, and unpredictable seasons. These weren't just random tricks, they were smart, natural techniques built on experience, observation, and early scientific understanding. Let's explore the remarkable secrets of medieval meat preservation. Salting the meat. Salt was the most widely used preservative. People would generously rub salt on meat to draw out moisture, which bacteria need to grow. This not only extended the meat's shelf life, but also allowed families and traders to store and transport it over long distances without spoilage. Drying techniques. Air drying meat in cool, ventilated spaces was another common method. Removing moisture slowed bacterial growth and made the meat lighter and easier to handle. In dry climates, sun drying or wind drying were especially effective, creating jerky-like preserved meat. Smoking for preservation. Smoking meat over slow-burning wood fires was both practical and flavourful. The smoke contained natural chemicals that killed bacteria and slowed spoilage, while also adding distinct tastes depending on the type of wood used. Smoked meat could last for several weeks, making it a staple in medieval households. Cold storage. Without refrigeration, people relied on naturally cool environments. Cellars, caves, and buried barrels kept meat chilled, slowing bacterial growth. Ice or snow from winter months was sometimes used to maintain lower temperatures for longer-term storage. Combining methods. Often, multiple techniques were combined to maximize preservation. Meat might be salted, then smoked, and finally stored in a cool cellar. This layered approach ensured safety, flavor, and extended shelf life, reflecting careful planning and ingenuity. Ingenuity of medieval people. These preservation methods highlight the resourcefulness of medieval societies. Even without modern technology, people found ways to keep meat edible, nutritious, and safe. Their techniques laid the foundation for some modern preservation methods we still use today.